Gold Rush Football Jersey Edition. This finishes out case number 32, boxes 5 and 6. Good luck, everybody. This was a PYT Pick Your Teams break. Please give our channel a follow at breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks. Please also join our Facebook group under Boom City Breaks and check out our eBay auctions under Boom City Breaks. Good luck, folks. Please let me get some rippets in the chat. Boxes 5 and 6 to complete box 32. Here we go, guys. I'm hoping for a big one. Good luck. Get your pop-pops ready. You're going to hear the pop. Pop. Here we go. Not the hugest hit, but not a bad one at all. Got a Fred Biletnikoff from the Oakland Raiders going out to Raleigh Card Collector. FSU, Florida State's finest, Fred Biletnikoff. Hall of Famer, 88. Nice hit there, Riley. Got the Oakland Raiders. Riley continues the heater. That's right, NW. Got a solid hit there. Here's your JSA, Riley. Alright, so that's box number 1. Fred Biletnikoff going out to Raleigh Card Collector. Alright, box 2 coming up. Here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Get your pop-pops ready. Gonna hear the popping of the seals, folks. Good luck. Alright. Again, not the biggest hit, but not bad. Pittsburgh Steelers, Mean Joe Greene going out to AJ Swin. Very solid hit. Got the Mean Joe Greene, guys. Very nice signature on there. Hall of Famer 87. Mean Joe Greene. Nice hit, AJ. AJ taking down that hit in the 2-boxer. There's your JSA, bud. That's going out to AJ Swin. Some very nice Hall of Famers we just hit there, guys. So we got the Fred Biletnikoff going out to Raleigh Card Collector and the Mean Joe Greene going out to AJ Swin. From Boom City Breaks, thanks everybody. We'll see you next time.